Hello YouTube, this is callerbone, and I'm about to show you guys my dirt bike after the big wreck, what it looks like now. But here, Ernie, come on. I can barely get out. Okay, let me go there. The last video. Someone's calling her. If the video pauses, my fault. Step on a snake. Okay, well, my dirt bike, it's not messed up like really bad, but you could see the handprints that I had on it. Yeah, and it hurt. See the fender on the side where the motor is, which is, let me get it there. Sorry about my camera, but the fender, see, yeah, right there where the motor is, that's bent all the way out. My handprint is where I flipped. Go up to see the white stuff, that's my handprint. And last time, I didn't get through with my video because the camera paused. I didn't really mean to, but I clicked it. Anyways, my dad put a new sticker, monster, right there. Monster all over the front. And those monster stickers all over. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed my video. I don't know what. Oh, I'm gonna post a video. I don't know when. I don't know if it's gonna be my next or my last or something. It's gonna be my iguana's new cage. We're gonna have a cage, probably really big. We're not gonna build it though. We're gonna go to PetSmart and buy it. I live in Jackson, Mississippi, but I'm in Greenville, Mississippi right now. It's visiting my dad. But hope you enjoyed my video. Like, comment, subscribe. Adios.